This machine can only be used by students that have had a workshop induction. Before using this machine, you must wear eye protection, tie long hair back, take off loose jewellery and clothing or roll sleeves up, clamp small material to be drilled down, and do not wear gloves. Unlike a battery drill, the pillar drill is used to drill holes in material precisely. Material should be clamped down to the drill table or held in a drill vise to prevent it from moving or spinning around when the drill makes contact. If handheld material spins, it could injure the operator's hand, especially if it's thin metal. Find the appropriate drill bit for your job in the top blue drawer. Generally speaking, the twist drill bit can be used on any material, but hole saws, Forstner bits, spur bits and flat bits can only be used on wood. Some of these larger drill bits can be found in the bottom of the blue drawers. If you're unsure, please ask a technician. Lift up and swing open the guard to give you access to the chuck. The chuck is where you put your drill bit, and we have two types, one that uses a key and one that doesn't. Put the bit in the keyless chuck and use both hands to loosen and tighten. Put the bit in the regular chuck, you need the key that sits on the top of the drill. Always return the key to the top of the drill. Never leave it in the chuck when you drill, or it can spin out and could hit somebody. Once you have tightened the drill bit in the chuck, give the chuck a spin manually to check the bit is centrally located. The drill table and drill head can be lowered or raised to accommodate your workpiece by unlocking, winding and locking again. Once your workpiece is set up, you must select the correct speed to drill. The basic rule of thumb is, the larger the drill bit, the lower the speed, but different materials have different speeds too. To be on the safe side, ask a technician or refer to the drill speed chart on the wall next to the drill or the URL in the description. The chuck guard can be adjusted by loosening the two black knobs and dropping it down enough to stop any debris from flying out. When the chuck guard is left open, the drill won't start. The emergency stop button must be in its out position. Twist it so it pops out. Press the button to the right of the stop switch, then select 1 or 2 with the flat switch. The drill should now start. You can set the depth you drill to by setting the depth stop to the correct height before you turn the drill on. The drill now stops at the required depth. It's important not to let debris build up inside the hole. To prevent this from happening, periodically raise the drill bit out of the hole to release any loose material. Don't forget to clear it when you have finished, and return the drill bit to the drawer. The chuck key goes on top. Well done. Finally, please use the hole gauges to find out which slot your drill bit goes back into.